First, determine if you have a Lifeline subsidized plan or a paid add-on. Lifeline users can cancel anytime without fees. To cancel, call 1-888-898-4888, visit a participating retailer, or use the online portal or app. Provide your account details like phone number and PIN. If you have a non-Lifeline add-on, early termination fees may apply, ranging from $0 to $100 depending on your plan and remaining contract time. Returning a subsidized device early may waive fees, but not returning it can incur charges up to $100. Cancellation typically takes 1 to 2 business days, and you'll receive a confirmation. You can port your number to another carrier during cancellation. Provide your new carrier's account details, and the process takes 1 to 3 days. Assurance Wireless doesn't charge for porting, but your new carrier might. Ensure your Assurance Wireless account is active during the porting process. Remember, cancellation is not retroactive, so service continues until processed. Digital cancellation via the app or online portal is now widely available and often the easiest method. Be aware that stricter eligibility verification may be required if you plan to reapply for Lifeline in the future. Canceling due to economic recovery is a rising trend, with users opting for cheaper, unsubsidized plans.